Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a dot crosshair on Valorant, PS5 and Xbox, right? It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. I'm using PS5 controller, so what I need to do here first is to press Options button to open up this window. Then I need to go to Settings, and on Settings with the R1 I need to go to Crosshair. And then you need to go, if you want to make a dot crosshair, you need to go to base. First of all, here you can change the color. For example, let's make it green. Then if you want to make dot crosshair, turn off outlines, then turn on center dot. Then you can make a dot, as you can see here, bigger or smaller. It's completely up to you. Then you can make the transparency of the dot, and then make sure show inner lines is off, and also show outer lines is off as well. And as you can see here, then you'll have a dot crosshair. And in game, it looks like this, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.